Hi DJ, this is Miss Lassiter. I am going to send you a video about how to log into Canvas and you can do the activities that we have for you this week. So if you'll just follow along and watch the video, and you'll have it as a reference to get into your assignment. So you should be able to see everything on my screen. Here's my mouse cursor. So the first thing that you're going to do to find your assignments is log into Canvas. And then you're going to click on this purple Snoopy that says ELA Group 1. That's what we've been doing in class and practicing this year. So if you click on that, it's going to show you this screen here. When we have our Google Meets in the morning at 9 o'clock, you click on this picture right here and it'll open you up to the Google Meet automatically, and you can come in and see what we're doing for today. So at 9 o'clock, you will click on that. It opens automatically into the Google Meet. So, but to do your work from yesterday and today, you're going to click on Lessons. And it's going to open up a screen that looks like this. And you're going to see all of the work that we have for the last 2 days. There are directions in here for the schedule. The Google Meet's already taken place, so that you won't see that this time. But there's all of these different things for you to click on. There's a video here. If you click on this link right here, it's going to show you the book Stellaluna, which is about a bat. And that's what we're talking about this week. There's going to be a story map. There's a digital form. I wouldn't worry about doing that one. I would look at this one that says paper and pencil. When you click on it, it's just going to show you the picture down here at the bottom. Oops. Down here, it's going to look like this right here. You can just copy it down onto a piece of paper. You're going to write down the characters. That's the animals that are in the story. The setting is where it happens. The problem, kind of what went wrong. So when you click on, you're going to see all these different things here. So you're just going to copy this onto another piece of paper. Then when you're finished with that, you'll go back into Canvas. You can go back over here. You can always click on modules. And it'll take you back to this screen here. And that was what we did yesterday. For today, you will click on the Nearpod. That's just some vocabulary cards. I'll show you what that looks like. There are directions there for your mom to help you read. Click on this and it's going to show you a screen. Should be a blue screen where you type your name. You would type in, there's my name. So I hit join lesson. And it's just cards for you to look at. So there's some interesting facts about bats. So you'll just kind of look at the pictures. You can read them, have a grown-up read them with you. It's just giving you some information about bats. All right, and there's baby bats. They're called pups, that kind of thing. So when you're finished, you can click back into Canvas. You'll just move the tab or close that Nearpod. You can always just go back to modules. That's the easiest way sometimes to find your way. And I can look and see what's next on my list. So I did the Nearpod Stellaluna. You're just reading the story again. You can take an AR test if you remember your login. If not, if you'll shoot me a dojo and I can send it to you. Then there's a BAT passage for you to look at. And there's some directions on here. It is an Edulastic, which means you'll have to go back to the Canvas page where you find PBS Kids and where you find Epic. So you're going to look for the green E right here and click on it. And you're going to go into your class, which is, it'll automatically pull up for you. Mine looks a little different because it's the teacher page, but you're going to see a yellow square and you're going to click on that. And it's going to pull up a passage for you. And the passage looks, it's just some paragraphs and there's a little picture of a bat at the top. And there's some questions for you to answer. So you'll do that. And it should be, if you can't find it on the page, there's a button over here that's called Assignments. And it'll show you all of your assignments. Yours will just be one right here that's yellow. And you'll click on that. You can have a grown-up help you read it and help you read the questions. And when you're finished with that, if you just for fun, go back into, oops, I clicked out of Canvas. Sorry about that. Hold on. Go back into my Purple Snoopy. Back into lessons. So if I ever click out, I'll just go right back in. That happens to me sometimes. There are Epic books that I've assigned to you about bats that you can read for fun. And there's some drawing fun in there too. So that's what you'll be doing for today. And the assignments for yesterday. You can watch this video as many times as you need to help you navigate through. You can show it to mom and she can help you as well. Tomorrow we're reading the same passage in Edulastic. I have a vampire bat video and then you're going to do some writing. So I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on Dojo and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.